Alright, so here they are. These are my garlic Parmesan chicken legs that I just made in the air fryer. OMGG, look at those. Yes, girl. So let's go ahead and dig in. So if you're interested in seeing how I made these, then keep watching. Super, super, super easy. Bon appetit. So good. You gotta try this. If you don't have an air fryer by now, girl, you are missing out. So easy and so convenient. You don't even mess up your kitchen that much cooking. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to be using our air fryer. This is the air fryer that I own. I've had this one for just about 1 year now and I love it. This is the Bella air fryer, guys. Love this thing. But today we're going to be cooking chicken legs, chicken drumsticks, whatever you want to call these. But we're going to be cooking them in the air fryer. And these are not drumettes either. These are like full-size chicken legs, okay? Because a lot of you are asking me, can you cook other things other than wings in it? Yeah, you can. And I've actually made burgers in the air fryer before and they came out pretty good. But I don't prefer my burgers in the air fryer. I prefer them on the George Foreman grill. But that's a video for a whole nother day because I make some banging burgers. But yeah, we're doing chicken legs and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Now I'm gonna start by rinsing my chicken. Now I've heard some of you say that you don't rinse your chicken, you just start cooking. Girl, that's nasty. You got to rinse your chicken, okay? Cook your chicken. Your chicken is sitting in there and all that juice and whatever that is in there, blood, what have you. I don't even want to think about it. I just want to wash it, season it up, and put it in there. See, me and my family, see, I don't know how you do things where you from, but we wash our meats, honey. We wash our meats before we cook them. That's just how it is. So I'm going to go ahead and give these a rinse and we're going to start seasoning them up. Alright, so now I've rinsed my chicken. It's all clean, ready for seasoning. Alright, so I'm just using a little this Tony Chachere's on here to start. Not a whole lot because I want to do like a garlic Parmesan leg today with some celery and ranch dressing, glass of wine, and curl up on the couch watching movies. So that's what I'm going to be doing with these. Nothing real fancy. I'm not cooking a whole meal, just something like a snack, okay? So that's what we're making. So I'm seasoning the chicken. I'm going to go ahead and get the air fryer heated up. I just turned it on. I just set it to 30, but yeah, while I finish the seasoning. Right now, just some Tony's Creole seasoning and black pepper is on here right now. This is the black pepper that I use. I always just use these little grinders here. I like these a lot. Okay, so that's what I'm using. This is how the chicken legs look now that I've seasoned them up nice and pretty. So now I'm about ready to put them into the air fryer here. And then we're going to make our sauce while these are cooking. Because I'm thinking about just doing a garlic Parmesan leg. How does that sound? So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to make garlic Parmesan chicken legs. It is hot. You heard that sizzle. You heard that sizzle, girl. I'm telling you, this air fryer is the truth. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to pack these in here. I think I can put one more in there. Alright, so it fits, this size fits 4 drumsticks comfortably inside. Now we'll have the link to this one down below should you be interested in this particular air fryer. Like I said, I absolutely love it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put, you know what? Because I love seasoning and I love taste, I'm going to hit it just a little bit more with some seasoning. Alright, now I'm going to close it up. And it's set to 20 minutes right now, but we're going to just move it back down to 30 minutes. And then 15 minutes. Oh, it's a little past it. There we go. So, in 15 minutes, we'll come back and flip the legs and check on them. A little extra leg. I just set it back in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to go ahead and prep some celery. I'm done slicing my celery. I just took 2 stalks, cut them in half, and then sliced them in half. Well, cut them long ways and then halfway. Does that make sense? Vertically, then horizontally. So I'm going to set these back inside the refrigerator so they can stay chilled until I'm ready to eat them. Our legs are still cooking in the fryer. We're going to go ahead and start making our coating for our legs. I have the chopped garlic here, some Parmesan cheese shaker stuff here, and then we have the butter and a lemon. But you can use lemon juice if you have some real lemon juice. I just have a lemon at home, so I'm just going to use it. This works just as good if you have some real lemon juice. I do have this, so I might as well, you know what, I may just use some of this too, to eliminate all the squeezing and the cutting and all that stuff of that lemon. We'll just use this for kicks. It's a little past the 15-minute mark, almost at the 10 left. Ooh, we didn't flip, but look, this is how they look. Looking good in there, girl. Looking good, looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn them now. I have them flipped. We're gonna put them back in for the remaining 10 minutes. And then we should be done with our sauce and go ahead and get them coated and plated up. 3 tablespoons of margarine in my saucepan. Saucepan, small pot, it's all the same. We'll squirt some lemon juice in there. I just eyeball it, girl. I don't use no measuring cups, no measuring spoons, none of that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in some garlic. This is the chopped garlic that I use. I just picked this up around the corner, girl, at the Publix. We're just gonna put like a spoonful and a half of this in there. This is what your sauce will look like. It doesn't take very, very long. You just want to brown it. Yes, honey, this is what you want it to look like. This is gonna taste so good on our chicken once we sprinkle our Parmesan cheese. So right now we're ready to just put our legs in here. Your wings or your legs or whatever you're doing. So the same thing applies for wings if you're doing wings. So let's go ahead and put our legs nice and coat it in there. But what I want to do next is I'm going to take them back out of here and put them back in the air fryer for like another 5 or 6 minutes, because I like my chicken kind of crispy. Though this is good right here, I do like it fleshy but not super crispy. I don't know, like a medium crisp, I guess. Just a little crispier than this. Okay, so then plus I want all the garlicness to cook on, and then I'm gonna give it a healthy coating of the Parmesan cheese. Well, look how gorgeous they look. Uh-oh, it's fogging up. It looks so delicious. I'm just gonna take my tongs and put the legs back into the basket. And then we're gonna roll them back around in all this goodness too. We're gonna roll them around in there again. After, I guess I'm gonna do about maybe another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes. And then we should be good. All that goodness left in that pan. Ooh, I can't wait, girl. I can't wait. That's perfect. This is how I like my chicken to look. So now I'm ready for the second coat of garlic butter sauce, and then we're gonna coat them with the cheese. You shake your Parmesan cheese on. Don't be stingy with it, girl. Shake some of that stuff in there. Shake a lot of it on there. Make it really good and tasty. Alright, now plate it up. Okay, girl, I am ready to eat. Look at my garlic Parmesan legs. Ooh. Let's eat. And that is it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more air fryer kitchen style videos from me, okay? Until next time, I will see you in the next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.